What's up, guys? We back with another one. We got some more sunroof installs. We got another truck in for a full paint job. We'll talk about that. We'll go over that. They actually brought this one. This truck we're gonna be doing on a sunroof. They actually brought it. It's just a roller. It doesn't have no engine in it. I guess the engine's getting redone. We're gonna go ahead and pop a sunroof in it. Used sunroof, black suede. Nothing too crazy. The usual we do here at Robskustoms. We're gonna go from there. I have another red truck here that's getting a brand new sunroof install with black suede. They both taking black suede. And then we got the F-150 Boss truck. We're gonna be doing a delete on the body kit and putting the Lightning body kit on it, and we're gonna paint the whole truck. Let's check it. This is the red truck. We're gonna be doing a brand new sunroof install. They just dropped it off this morning. Here is the roller sitting on some intros. We're gonna be doing a sunroof on it, on the trailer, without taking it down. No need to take it down if it doesn't have an engine. Black suede. We got the Boss 5.4. My bad. 5.4 Boss. We're gonna be doing a delete on the body kit, putting the Lightning body kit on, which we have over here. Busy day here at Robskustoms. Waiting for my chalan again. Fucker's late as always. Frankie. And we got all the parts over here for the body kit. We'll get to that later. Alright, guys, getting everything together. Got my son helping me, spraying down all the interior pieces. I'm gonna get started on this one. This one here already has a sunroof installed. Check it out. I'm gonna start on the headliner. Alright, guys, install's done. She's ready to go back home. Check it out. Nice and clean. And I stuck this. He had a DeWalt battery in there, so I stuck that in there because, like I said, this truck doesn't have an engine. The battery's in the back. I just stuck that there so that way when he comes and looks at it, he can play with it here, and then he can disconnect it when he wants. But that's it. Another one done. Call him up. I know it's ready to go. Alright, guys, truck number 2. Truck 1's done, waiting for customer. Sunroof is installed, powered up. Headliner's done. We'll install it now. Check it out. I'm gonna put everything back together, and then I'll get some video of it. And then get some rolling video of this rolling out. It's pretty bad. They brought it on the Escalade, pulling it. You don't see that too much, but there she is, guys. Another one done. Pulling caddy. Another one done here at Robskustoms. Alright, guys, truck number 2. He's done. This one got a new sunroof. Check it out, black suede, usual. Clips, handles, visors, painted. Real good. Swipe her down. Good to go. She is good to go. There she is, guys. Another one out. Second truck. Sunroof install.